Hi, I'm Ray. Well, we made it to April, and April now is a great time to start sowing most of the tender plants for the allotment garden and for the polytunnel. So I've got a list of tender plants that we're going to start sowing and growing in April. So let me show you what we've got. So the first of all, we've got cucumbers. Cucumbers can be started in April, inside under glass. Our last frost day is in middle of May, so we still can't sow these outdoors, so we're going to sow some of these inside. And we've got a variety of seeds called Market More. We've got Mini Munch, Crystal Lemon, that's going to be interesting, and Cucumber Party Time, that would be great. Courgettes, you can do your courgettes in April, and we've got Courgette zucchini, a popular heavy cropper, exceptionally heavy cropper for compact bushy plants. We don't need many courgette plants, otherwise we're going to be inundated with courgettes. We can also do squashes such as pumpkins, and we can also do butternut squash, and this is F1 Hunter, so April to June, ideal for our climate, so that's great. Also, we can do melons. We can do our melons for our polytunnel, and we've got cantaloupe melon, and we've also got melon Galileo de Inverno, and they'll be for the polytunnel. They're looking great. Also, we can now start doing indoors in cell trays. We can start doing sweetcorn. And this one is F1 Swift, so April to June. And we've also got sweetcorn mini pop. This is a tender variety, especially bred to use as mini corn. So start these in cell trays, and by May they will be shooted to be able to plant in the garden. And it's also a great time, always worth looking forward to growing our runner beans. And this one is runner bean Scarlet Emperor. These little packets come from Premier Seeds, and we've just updated a few of our seeds from Premier Seeds. So runner beans, we're growing ours outside, and that would be great. We could start some of these in a cell tray. That would be great. And I've also got some watermelon. We'll be doing watermelon, and this is early Blacktail Mountain. So that would be really great in our polytunnel. And you can also now do our Swiss chards. We've got bright lights, and also spinach can be done now. Also, directly sowing, we can now do carrots and turnips. They can be directly sown if the weather is still quite nice and the warm soil has warmed up. That would be ideal. And also swedes, and we've got swede best of all, and also magway. So swede can be done directly into your beds. So I'm going to start some of these in our cells, in our cell trays. I'm going to start some of these in the shed because it's still cold, still a bit of a nip in the air, so I'm going to start sowing some of these seeds. So let me know in the comments, what seeds are you sowing in April? Are you doing your runner beans? And let me know in the comments. And I'm going to be sowing my cucumbers now, so if you look in this video you can see us growing some videos of growing cucumbers, so check it out.